Good morning, sir. This is Zakir Hussain S of Computer Science and Engineering Department from first year. Today my topic is to describe about function definition and syntax with example. Moving to the next slide. Here is the outline of the entire presentation. Introduction to functions, function syntax, explanation of function syntax, explanation of function with code, explanation of code, components of a function, user-defined functions, syntax of user-defined functions, standard library functions, syntax of standard library functions. Here we can see introduction to functions. Definition. A function in C is a block of code that performs a specific task. Types of functions in C. There are two types of functions in C. They are standard library functions, example printf, sqrt. B. User-defined functions created by programmers. Here we can see function syntax, return type, function name, parameter list, function body, return value, semicolon, optional, depends on return type. Explanation, return type, data type of the value returned, int, void, etc. Function name, name of the function, parameter list, inputs passed to the function, return value, output returned by the function. Example, hash include stdio.h, function definition, int add numbers, int a, int b, return a plus b, colon, int main, int result is equal to add numbers 5, 10, colon, function call, printf, the sum is %d/n result, colon, return type 0. Explanation of code, function declaration, int add numbers, int a, int b. Function definition implements the logic return a plus b, colon. Function call int main star, call the functions add numbers 5, 10, colon. Stores the result in result. Components of a function. Function declaration prototype informs the compiler about the function. Example, int add numbers integer a, integer b. Function definition contains the logic of the function. Example, int add numbers int a, int b. Return a plus b, colon. Function call invokes the function in main or another function. Example, int result is equal to add numbers 5, 10, colon. Types of functions. 1. User-defined functions. Definition. Function created by the programmer to perform specific tasks. They allow for code modularity, reusability, and easier debugging. Syntax of user-defined functions. Return type, function name, parameter list. Function body, logic to perform the task. Return value, optional, depends on return type. Types of functions. Second one, standard library functions. Definition, predefined functions provided by C libraries to perform command tasks like input or output, math operations, string manipulation, etc. These functions are declared in header files. Example, stdio.h, math.h, string.h. Syntax of standard library functions. Return type, function name, parameters. Return type specifies the data of the value returned by the function. Function name, the name of the predefined function. Parameters, input arguments required by the function. Thank you. Presentation by Zakir Hussain S of Computer Science and Engineering Department from first year. Thank you.